2016 came around, we were still feeling it. The motorcycle business wasn't growing back out of that hole that it went into. The off-road market in the U.S. went down by 80%, so we needed to look for new marketplaces for our capabilities and our people and our technology that we were employing in one market that we felt would be really useful in the aerospace market as well.
We engaged with Sean. When you're in the business of providing solutions, you don't tell someone what they need, you listen to them and find out what they're looking for.
Economic Growth Institute came out and visited Cobra at our plant here. We sat down with some of our employees, we talked about our plans.
We see that small and medium-sized manufacturers are challenged in a way that they've never been before. We're really interested and invested in these companies because it's so critical to our region, and because a lot of these companies that we work with are their sole employers in their communities, and so it's very important that they survive.
We have many capabilities now that we never would have had otherwise if it weren't for the initial seed of what the Economic Growth Institute did for us.
After high school, they offered me a full-time position here. Now this is kind of turning into my home, and I've loved it ever since I started here.
It's not just the little bit of help that we got to begin with. It's all the relationships and ideas and people that we met and companies that we met. All those things went together to actually change our company in ways that we never would have dreamed of otherwise.